excited to be here. My name is Faye Vecino, Diamond Master from Calgary, Alberta. Who's from Calgary? Yes, I have some fellow Calgarians here. Well, I am very, very humbled, but very honored to have this privilege of sharing with you my life scenario. And I do believe that writing our life scenario is very, very important. Why? Because it is the tool. It is the very tool that will guide you to your path to success in Atomy. Just like a car takes you to your destination, it's the same with Atomy. We have to have a balanced life because a balanced life is a successful life. Again, balanced life is a successful life. So if the wheels of your cars are not balanced, you're going to be delayed. You're going to be derailed. You can get off the track. And that's why it's very important to have a balanced wheel for a car to take you to your destination. So it's the same as having a balanced life in Atomy. So let me share with you 3 aspects of my life that I plan to achieve to have this balanced life in Atomy. First, let me talk about my dream house. Why my dream house? Because I know that most of us, if not all of us, are thinking about that bigger, more beautiful, and better house to live in, right? So in 2028, I would like to achieve to have a 5-bedroom, 3-car garage for myself. Now, why 2028? Because I'd like to pay it in full before I move in. And why 5-bedroom when all my kids are adults? I have 4 adult kids, ranging from 31 years old to 18, and have 3 grandkids. Yes, I am grandma. Why? Because I want all of them to have space in my house when they come to visit me. Second, growing up in the Philippines, my house was the house of all the missionaries and pastors that would come to our city. My house was the house where the pastors that don't have a place to stay in Manila would go. And that is what I want to do too in Calgary. A place where pastors and missionaries that come to Calgary will have a place to call their home. And thirdly, because my Atomy partners is my family, then I would like them to have a place in my house when they come visit me in Calgary. I want my dream home to be their home away from home. And second, I would like to talk about donation. Being a children's pastor for the past 17 years in my church, children hold a very, very special place in my heart. Actually, the video that we watched earlier for Compassion Canada, that was the video that made me say yes to Atomy. It breaks my heart every time I see a child that is deprived of the basic necessities of life: food, clothing, and shelter. And just like what our chairman said, every child, whether they're your child or not, has the right to live that kind of life. And so my goal is by July 2023. Now, why July? Because I'm done sending my kids to school by then. So in July of 2023 this year, I'm going to start supporting one child from the Jesus Loves the Little Children Foundation. And from there, continue on the same number of the grandkids that I have, that's the same number of kids that I will have. Lastly, but certainly not the least, is my family. The faces that you see in that picture are the very reason why I'm very passionate about succeeding and sharing about Atomy. My legacy is not just a legacy of wealth, but a legacy of a well-balanced life. Because a balanced life is a successful life. I'm so thankful to the gift that our chairman gave to us. Why do I call Atomy a gift? Because it is a fair chance and opportunity for all of us to succeed. And I do believe in Atomy, we are called to be a blessing to others. In Atomy, we are blessed to be a blessing. Thank you for listening.